Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by for yet another video. I do appreciate that, and as always, I appreciate you. So, it's a little bit different video here. I come across this article that says NASA releases new spooky sounds from across the solar system for Halloween. Now, I don't know if you've seen this yet, but I thought I'd share some of these with you. The link's always in the description below if you want to check out the rest of these, and they're also on SoundCloud. NASA's uploaded these to SoundCloud. Now, seeing as this is in the article, hopefully I'm allowed to share these with you. But it says NASA officials have newly published a list of eerie tracks recorded by space probes, especially for Halloween. It says the sound of whistling helium and howling planets will undoubtedly shock you. This is one of the most terrible sounds you've ever heard. So let's take a listen in on some of these sounds. And like I said, the link's in the description, and they're also on SoundCloud if you want to listen to all of them. But we'll take a brief listen. Now this one says Juno crossing Jupiter's bow shock. Let's listen to this one. I mean, just some crazy sounds here. Now this one, now that was Juno entering Jupiter's magnetosphere. That was a Kepler star light curve waves to sound. Now the next one is lightning on Jupiter. Let's listen to that. Now this is a passing comet. This next one's plasma sounds. Saturn radio emissions. And this one's radio waves within Earth's atmosphere. Now the next one's also radio emissions from Saturn. And this next one's from Cassini, Innocuous Sound. Now this is a plasmaric hiss. Next one says plasma waves. And then there's Whistler waves. This one's called Jupiter Sounds 2001. Alright, and then now we have ultra cold liquid helium. Radar echoes from Titan's surface. Uh, Alright, now it says speeding through Titan's haze. This one says scientists find the Saturn's rotation period is a puzzle. It says beware of Jupiter's largest moon, Ganymede. Alright, Cassini shields up. And finally, Voyager plasma sounds. So that's where I'm going to leave it. But again, the link is always in the description. You can come over here and listen to all these. And you can also check them out on SoundCloud as well. But yeah, that's some pretty cool sounds from our solar system and outer space. So I thought I'd share them with you. But I think that's going to be about it. So thanks for supporting the channel and watching these videos. I appreciate every single one of you. Be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Have a great day. Peace.